Hi, this is Keith from Silent Auction Biz. Today, I'd like to show you how you can print your auction product list. You want to make sure that you're logged in. You can tell that you're logged in when you see your name under the Canadian flag. You will click on Auction Setup. That'll take you to your home auction dashboard. Right near the bottom, third from the bottom, there's something called Print Product List. You would click on that. You'd pick your auction that you want, a past or present, but this is a current auction, and then display your products. And your products will be displayed on a list. You can go and print that list. If you have bidders that would like to see the list on paper, you can create it in Excel and sort it endlessly. You also can create a PDF to make it easy to email. So this is Keith from Silent Auction Biz, and that is how you get to print your auction product list.